Hi, my name is Mowliidcube. Tonight I'm going to explain or demonstrate on how to enable remote desktop in Windows Server 2019. Let's go to the server. You see here, and my remote desktop is disabled. Click here. To allow, you have to click allow the remote connection to this computer. We can do that way. We can also do another way. I'll show you another way that we can do. Let's go to the searching this PC. Right click, property, and then when you get here, go to the advanced system setting, go to the remote, and then here you can change, apply. Okay, let's go to the other way. Now it's disabled, but let's check. You see, it's, we have done the other side, but now it's allow the connection. When we go to the other computer, we can go from the other computer to a remote access from Windows 10 to the server. Sometimes it might not allow it because of the firewall. It will block, or it's not allow that to access to the server. Let's go to the other computer first and check what we can do. Click remote access. And 192, which is our server IP address. Let's go to the one 192.168.2.5. Let's check. Username and password administrator. Password. See, it's allowed, but we can access remote access from Windows 10 to, like for example, you are at home and you just want to access your server in somewhere else. This is the step that you should take. Now we are in a server. You see, we are in a server. Let me just go back to the server. As the server is stopped working because we are just coming from the remote access from other computer. If I just want to go to the my server, and if I want to do anything I want to from the server, I can do anything I want to. I can go to the tools, computer, and users and computers. I can go back to, let's go back to the main server. If I want to go back to the main server, I have to stop the connection So let's go back to see. You have been disconnected because another connection was made to the remote control. Okay, so that's that. Let's have a look at the Windows Server side. If we can go from, let's try if we can go to the from here to the Windows 10. The computer's name is this. Maybe is disabled, so if it's disabled we cannot access, so we have to enable. You see it's disabled, will tell you look here, the remote computer is turned off. Okay, let's go to the Windows 10. This PC, right click, property, and go down to the advanced setting, go to the remote. Says here is blocked. It says don't allow remote connection to this computer. We have to put it like we have to allow it, the computer connected. Say apply. Okay, now we are able to connect from the other from the server to Windows 10. It will ask me the password now. See? Say yes. So I'm in Windows 10 from the server. I'm in a server, but I'm in a Windows 10. Close this. See, Windows 10. This is what you what you need to do in a workplace, like first line support or second line support. For example, if someone call you and ask you to do if their computer are not working, they ask you for help, and then you can access through the server. Or if you want something from your home, you can access from your computer to the server. So only you have to take the steps that we have explained it or have demonstrated. And I think this is a very easy and understandable. Let me stop the server connecting to the Windows 10, and if you go back to the server, it says there's another computer connected, so the connection was ended. Okay, and then close. And I think it's very easy and straightforward my lesson tonight, and I hope you will see you next time on another lesson. And I would like you to share and subscribe and comment or email me and if you have any problem regarding this configuration. And hope you see you next time.